Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Easy English. In this lesson, you will hear slow and calm English. This lesson is made for relaxed listening. Here is a small suggestion. Listen calmly and enjoy the sound. Learning is easier when you feel relaxed. Let's start. Today, I want to talk about taking a shower. I walk into the bathroom. The room is warm and quiet. I close the door behind me. I feel comfortable. I turn on the water slowly. At first, the water is cool. Then it becomes warm. I step under the shower. The water falls gently on my body. I feel the water on my shoulders. My muscles begin to relax. I wash my face. I wash my hair slowly. The sound of the water is soft. It helps me feel calm. I take my time. I do not hurry. This moment feels peaceful. I feel clean and refreshed. When I finish, I turn off the water. I grab a towel and dry myself. After the shower, I feel fresh. My body feels awake and ready. Taking a shower helps me feel new again. Now, repeat after me. I take a shower. I take a shower. The water feels warm. The water feels warm. I feel clean and fresh. I feel clean and fresh. Nice work. Keep listening every day. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. Small daily habits help your English grow. See you next time.